I built a $10,000 per month business using this AI tool. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how you can use it for yourself. Let's get started. Most people think making money online with AI is about spamming content or complicated coding, but that's not true. The real opportunity is using AI to create something people already need and are willing to pay for. In my case, I use this AI tool to build complete digital products for clients in a fraction of the time it would normally take. That means I can take on more projects, deliver faster, and scale my income without burning out. Now, one of the biggest markets where this works extremely well is websites. Think about it. Every new business, every freelancer, every small company needs a website. Most of them either don't know how to build one or they waste weeks struggling with templates that don't look professional. Agencies charge thousands of dollars. Freelancers take weeks, and business owners simply want something that looks good and works. That's where AI gives you a huge advantage. So, how does this turn into $10,000 a month? Simple. I charge businesses for complete website packages. Since I can build them so quickly with AI, I can handle multiple clients per day without sacrificing quality. If I only charge $500 to $1,000 per site, a handful of clients is enough to reach $10,000 a month. And if I want to make it even more attractive for them, I can offer a subscription model. For example, $150 per month to keep the website online. Many contractors prefer this because then they don't have to pay so much money up front. That way, I build recurring income on top of one-time projects. Now, let me show you how I build multiple websites a day with AI. The AI we're using is called Replit. Replit is very simple. You just tell it what you want to have, and it builds it for you. If you sign up with the link in the description, you'll get $10 worth of Replit coins so you can test it for yourself. After signing up, go to the home screen. Here, you can see the prompt box. Okay, now let's say you're selling a website to a plumber in New York. Then you just type, "Build a modern website for a plumbing business in New York." Also add that it has to be a static HTML website using CSS, JavaScript, and an index.html file, so you can later upload it to your hosting provider. Then click Approve and Start, and now Replit will prepare the website for you. So after about 7 minutes, this is what it came up with. Let's take a look. Okay, so you can see that the website already looks decent, but of course there are some flaws. I'm using Lightshot to take quick screenshots, and then I just highlight what I want fixed and tell Replit what to do. So I'm uploading the screenshot and telling him to put them in a row. You can see what he does here on the left side. Okay, let's check what he did. Okay, that already looks better. Now let's give it another prompt to fix the text. And as you can see, it works pretty well. I'm going to redo the website a little bit, and while I'm doing that, I'll explain to you what you can actually do with Replit. You saw I didn't give him really specific prompts, but he still handled it well. You can be a lot more specific than I was just now. For example, instead of only saying that the text is hard to see, you could say, remove the blue box around the button and make the button pink. Or you could say, remove the button completely and add a Q&A section. You can get very creative with Replit. Okay, let's check out the website again. You can see I've changed some colors and the layout, and it already looks a lot better than before. Obviously, I didn't put too much effort into this demo, but you get the idea. In just 20 minutes, I created a website that's almost client-ready. So, as you can see, building websites with AI isn't just possible. It's fast, it's scalable, and it's something people are willing to pay real money for. In less than half an hour, I went from a blank screen to a functional website that's already close to client-ready. Imagine what happens when you polish it a little more, add your client's branding, and deliver it as a finished product. That's how you turn simple AI prompts into thousands of dollars every single month. And remember, you don't need hundreds of clients to make this work. Just a few solid projects per month at $500 to $1,000 each, or a couple of recurring clients on a monthly subscription, and you can hit $10,000 or more consistently. This is exactly how I run my business. AI builds the websites quickly, clients pay for them, and I scale up without burning out. It's simple, it's efficient, and it works. I'm already past the $10,000 a month, so if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe. See you in the next one.